You will love the features of this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.